Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. In this video I'll be talking about Clean Energy Fuels Corp and the massive news they got today that pushed the stock as high as 40% in one day. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, and also feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm just going to give you an update on my portfolio. So it's currently at $1,155.58, 0.39% on the day. Which is a huge run up. So we're just going to get to clean energy fuels. In one day it went up 37.39%, went up to $18.36, which is like a 40% gain. In 1 week it went up 74 total return for me. I said I was going to sell this stock at 17 as my price target, but with this massive news I do think it has huge long-term potential with Joe Biden being in power and this massive news. So I sold half and then I'm keeping the rest and riding up to its highs. I do think the stock has huge long-term potential. The news says Clean Energy signs multi-year contract with LA Metro for more than 47 million gallons of renewable natural gas. Contract for 47.5 million gallons of its renewable natural gas. What this means is that they signed a contract to fuel 47.5 million gallons of RNG, which is LA Metro. This will have low carbon fuel because they're using renewable natural gas. This is the first renewable and commercial available vehicle fuel made entirely from organic waste, so that's really good for the environment. LA Metro is they are passionate about going towards a carbon neutral future. So they want the most efficient way to do this, so that's why they made this agreement with Clean Energy Fuels. So over the 5-year period, the transition to RNG will further reduce Metro's greenhouse gas emissions. So do you think this contract allows this massive bus fleet, LA Metro, to use renewable natural gas to fuel their buses, and that will be really good for the environment? Towards a net zero carbon emission through renewable natural gas is really good for the environment, and also good for Clean Energy Fuels because that will actually boost their revenue. This deal of Clean Energy Fuels and LA Metro is really good as it favors the climate change solutions. Get some price targets from analysts. Price target of $21, which is 17.78% upside from its current price. They have a high of $25, a low of $17, so that's really good. They have 2 buys and 0 holds and 0 sells, so that's really positive for this company. I think a week ago there was a negative price target one institution is doing with Clean Energy Fuels. So the one institution is called FMR LLC, Fidelity Investments. So they're loaded up as of today, with the massive news, they've loaded up, they've bought more shares of Clean Energy Fuels, so that's really good. How I would invest $1,000 in this company. So basically it's trading around $17.89, so it's $17.19 now. Tomorrow I put my first $250 no matter the price, because we believe in the company, we believe in their fundamentals, and we believe in their future, so we invest whatever price it is tomorrow. The next day if it drops to $15, put your next $250 on that. Then on Wednesday if it drops to $13, put your next $250 on that. Then on the last day, which is Thursday, you put your last $250 on the stock. If it drops to $10, I'll drop that low because we know it's ran up so high. The reason we average down is because we average our cost. We want to expect a dip so we don't miss out on the massive buying opportunities. Let's say you put all of your money right now at this current price, dips tomorrow, you won't have any cash on hand to buy the dips and you'll be missing out on these massive buying opportunities. That's why you average down, you don't put all your money at once. However, if you believe in this company long term, it really doesn't matter if you put all your money now, but it's better to average down so you can get on those buying opportunities. So that's how I would invest $1,000. Price target for this would be, I don't have a low price target for this, but if I had one, it would be around $14 to $15. My high price target for this year could be easily $50, but my high price target for the long term, 5 years ahead, could be anywhere from $100 to $300. If you guys believe in the company, you believe in the fundamentals, you believe in the future, then invest in the company no matter what other people say. Before I end the video, let's talk about 2 stocks that you should consider. First one is called Tattoo Shift, down 2.75% on a day. If it drops to 23.50 and below, load up on the stock. This is set to double in this year. Not financial advice, by the way. I talked about this next stock in a bunch of my videos. It's called NEO. So it's currently up 3.99% on the day. I still think this is a good buying opportunity. Anything below 60 is a good buying opportunity because we've got to think about the long term. Long term, where's this going to go? That's my whole analysis on why Clean G Fuels went up today because of the massive news. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research before consulting my video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing. See you guys in the next one, and happy investing.